The property sector fulfills a basic need, no? One of the basic needs, housing. And more and more, we keep seeing the papers, and more we get to see Swedish houses, Mediterranean houses, designs that are not really fit for the Filipino, thereby creating a lifestyle that in reality will end up having them using more air conditioning. No? Ganito yung nakikita natin most of the time. We design and build healthcare facilities. If we will measure the amount of VOCs inside our hospitals, we go to the hospitals to get well. But before we go out, we're going to have respiratory problems because of the VOCs we inhale inside hospitals. That's something to think about, no? When we build hospitals, when we design them, no, consider it as part of your corporate social responsibility. It's not just the building that's your product, it's actually how people operate their lives, no, inside the spaces. Also, recreational facilities. We get to see so many playgrounds, and these are actually obstacle courses designed for the military, I think. We get to see a lot of kids, no, getting accidents, no, in the spaces we create, and in the delivery of greener buildings, no, we always address the key areas, no, of environmental impacts: energy, water, air, sustainable sites, resource management, climate change, and lastly, no, an innovation we're introducing in Verde, no, heritage conservation. These are all components of the public good, no, if you think about it. Why am I forcing this issue, CSR? I'd like to say forcing it, no, and green building. We build structures and we install granite at 30,000 per square meter, 20,000 per square meter. The decision maker is not asking what is the payback in installing granite. But we try to install, say, a solar panel, and we will overanalyze it to death. What is the payback of the installed solar panel? I have to admit, a few years ago it was 30 years payback. Now it's down to, I think, 20 years. Now, a few weeks ago, no, I was in a meeting at the Department of Labor, and I was glad I got to talk to some people from Toyota. They said, we are 2 blocks away from the manufacturer of the best solar panels in the world. Unfortunately, they're not allowed to buy the solar panel because they're in an eco zone. They have to export it, bring it back to the Philippines before they get to install the solar panel, thereby increasing effectively the carbon footprint of the solar panels. No? Something to think about. Kaya lalong tumataas yung ROI. No? Sometimes it's ridiculous. The panel is 2 blocks away, but you can't install it. You have to export it first and buy it back. Now, these are the things, no, that we need to think about when we are trying to address social issues. No? We dictate the fate of the climate. No? We design communities, townships, we design the transportation systems, we make the decision what kind of buses we use, whether to maintain the tricycles there. In my experience in this country, where we see buses, there should be trains. Where we see the jeepneys, there should be buses. And where we see the tricycles, there should be jeepneys. Unfortunately, we're stuck to this technology that was inherited by our forefathers, no, after the war, and for some reason we're so in love with the jeepney. We still get to see jeepneys that's flying routes about 50 kilometers in this country, where trains are better modes of transport. No? We heavily influence the public's travel behavior. Is our design climate friendly? More and more architects, unfortunately, are, I have to admit, no, it's so hard, no, to convince them, no, to take on opportunities for us to highlight what is truly Filipino, what is truly tropical, and what is truly effective, no, in the local context. We have control over our emissions, so we are to look finally at the cost of green building versus our CSR. CSR budgets are rising. They said it's cheaper to do a social campaign than to pay the networks, no, and do good PR for us. We agree, but why not use that budget, put it into your developmental projects, to offset the additional costs of a greener building and try to quantify the social benefits of it. Now there's your payback. No? This is something, a short message that I would like to impress on everybody. And what is we are to identify what is the real social cost of doing business. Because sometimes, at the end of the day, ensuring that the market survives, no, is essential for our businesses to survive and thrive. So, my short message, getting long, green building is our public good, and we are to remember that we are to address, no, all these impacts and make this a key part of your decision-making process in making your next building a greener building. Thank you.